What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. Today's video is gonna be a bit of a DIY for doing a wood trunk setup in your car. So specifically this is gonna be for the Chevy Cruze. And right now I got this crappy piece of flimsy cardboard for the trunk, and it's not doing so hot with all the junk that I have back here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change that trunk from the cardboard to wood paneling. And basically what we'll do is a lot of people will do wood flooring in the trunk. With the price of how everything is now, you can't really do that in a cheap way. So what I found is that you can get laminated wood paneling from Menards, and basically this is what the wood paneling looks like. So it's already got like a laminated surface to it, so it looks pretty good. So this is a 4x8 sheet. Obviously we don't need the full 4x8, so we're gonna lop this in half, and that way we get two 4x4 squares. And the trunk is about 3.5 by 3.5 feet. So we'll get this thing all cut up, and then I also have the squares that go on each side here, the carpet, and there's also a carpet piece in the back. And so what we'll do is we'll attach all those to the wood, and then we basically just got like an OEM plus type look with the wood. So let's get this thing cut up. Alright, so ran out of time yesterday, but we're picking it up today. I ordered some rubber trim that goes around the outside edges of the wood slab that we have, and basically that'll just kind of protect things so that the laminate on the top doesn't like chip away. So I'm gonna sand down a bit of the edge and get that put on, and then I'll show you guys how it kind of works. So this is the rubber edging that I bought off Amazon. I'll link it down below, but this is essentially going to go on each side of the wood. That way I'm not chipping off any of this laminate that's on the top. So this will protect everything, and it just kind of cleans it up a bit. Alright, now that you guys see how it kind of works, now we got to trim this thing up on the sides to make sure it can actually fit inside of the car width-wise. So we're going to do that right now. Alright, as you saw in that last clip, it's a bit tighter than I want, especially when we put that rubber trim on it. It's going to make it wider, so I'm going to take probably about a 1/4 inch off on the side and see where that puts us. Now you may be wondering, Tyler, what the heck are you doing? Watch this. And now I have a perfect outline of this. So now I can trace that onto my wood and it'll be able to slide right into here. All nice. Alright, so I ran out of time yesterday for putting the rubber molding on, so now we're going to do that today. The board fits pretty good inside here. I think what I'm going to do is leave the mat in here for now and put the board on top, and then later down the road I'm going to cut from here and make basically a square around here and then essentially just glue it to the bottom of the piece of wood. But for right now, we're gonna put the black molding on the edges and I think we'll be good from here. Alright, for cutting these corners, you can get fancy with it and do like 45-degree angle on both pieces so they come together nicely, but I don't think I trust myself trying to do that and having it be a perfect gap, or actually no gap at all. So I'm just going to figure out where this is going to measure up to on this one, cut it there, and then they'll both come together just fine. So that's what I'm doing on the corners. There, that's better. There you go. You guys can see. So we're going to do the same thing to the back, and I don't think it's worth showing you guys that. So I'm going to work on the back, and then we can get this thing put into the trunk.
Can't get out of the car now. Oh, you did.
Yeah, I can. Alright guys, here is the final product. Looks pretty nice. Looks good in here. And what's nice is we're lining up with that edge here on the inside. So looks really, I guess you could say OEM, which is nice. So looks good. It's not quite final yet though, because I would like to do some sort of handle. So I think what I'm going to do is drill 2 holes in the middle and loop a rope in there, like a fancy rope or something. I don't know, just kind of make it look cool, and so you can actually get it out easily. We'll probably do the handle for the trunk in another video, but for now, it's in its somewhat final form. But it looks way better than what we had before, which is the cardboard piece. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was entertaining. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.